Well, I just finished this one, absolutely wonderful. We're making a beetroot spicy rice today, fried rice. It's really easy to make, it's absolutely delicious, healthy, vegetarian, vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so look, I've got my beetroot there. I've got about just over 2 cups. Cut it really nice and small. Now that's raw. Now you can cook it from raw, but it takes a little longer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna boil that in some water. Just water, no salt or anything, just water for about 4 minutes, and then we can get moving. Okay, so once it reached boiling point, I'll just let it go for 4 minutes. What we've done is just give ourselves a massive head start. Like I say, if you want, you can go from raw. We're gonna go this way today. So you can see our beetroot in the center there, 2 cups. Beside that are 3 cups of basmati rice, cold basmati rice. Now I always like to use cold rice. That was cooked yesterday and put in the fridge. I think cold rice fries a lot better. 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is a mixture of the 2. If you want, just go for ginger or just go for garlic. You know, I'm going for the combo there. And then a teaspoon each, salt, pepper, chili powder, turmeric. Let's get moving. So you're gonna need some sort of wok or skillet like this, frying pan. In there I've got some oil. Now the oil you use is up to you. I'm using a corn oil today, and I've got 3 tablespoons in there. I'm gonna start this off with 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, just to give it a nice kind of little flavor. Just do this in that hot oil for 30-40 seconds. It will infuse the oil and give it a lovely, lovely flavor there. Very, very simple. Let's grab our 1 cup of onion and drop that in. We're on an above medium heat, and we're gonna go just for like 3 to 4 minutes stir frying these couple of ingredients. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass you can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Now to that, we're gonna add our ginger garlic paste. And our beetroot. As you can see, I've cut this really nice and small. And again, another 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Next up, we're gonna add in our spices. So we've got, let's take a look, a teaspoon each, salt, pepper, turmeric, and chili powder. Just give that a little mix in there. Then we're gonna grab our rice. I'm using basmati rice, and like I say, old rice. So cooked yesterday, put in the refrigerator, keeps it really nice and sort of fluffy, you know, like that, you know? It won't sort of stick together so much. If you do it with hot rice, it kind of, yeah, becomes a bit of a mush really. Okay, 5 minutes. Let's get this rice fried. So I'm hoping that you can really hear that. That is our rice frying. We're not making a salad. If I get any little blackening or browning on my rice, gives it lovely flavor and makes me happy. So really fry your rice beautifully. You can see, because we've used cold rice, it's separated really nicely, not kind of clumped up. Okay, off goes the heat. If you want, get some fresh chili in there, some cilantro or coriander, something like that. I'm going just like that. It's beautiful. Steaming hot, a lovely, lovely bowl of beetroot spicy rice. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.